Hi guys, welcome to my channel Junction IT Presents Technologic. Today I am going to show you how to change thermal paste in Dell Inspiron 3501 laptop. This is the Inspiron 3501 laptop, and this is the service tag or express service code area where you can find the laptop serial number. Okay, unscrew 9 screws from the base cover to open the base cover. Unscrew all the screws. Now unlock the base cover by using a plastic scribe. Gently unlock the cover. This is the battery connection. Disconnect the battery connection from the motherboard. This is the heatsink and this is the fan, or can say this is the thermal area. Disconnect the fan. And unscrew the screws to open the fan or to remove the fan. There is only 2 screws of fan. There is 4 screws of heatsink. To unscrew the screws to remove the heatsink. Okay, this is the thermal paste, or can say a thermal compound. Now I will remove the old paste by using a cotton. Have to clean properly. And also remove the paste from the heatsink. Remove the paste because I will place a new thermal paste on the processor. Okay, this is the thermal paste. Now place a new paste on the processor as per the requirements. Place the paste as I'm placing the paste. See guys, there is a limitation to place a thermal paste. Okay, now clean the dust from heatsink and place the heatsink on the processor. again screw the heatsink screw. Okay, now I'm going to clean the fan dust, clean it properly. Now place it. Now tight the screws. Now reconnect the battery connection to the motherboard and connect the fan connection. Now place the cover again. Before clean the dust area, like I'm cleaning this, guys, you can see I'm cleaning the dust. Now place the base cover and screw it. Now screw the all 9 screws. Guys, for any sales inquiries, please contact above number. Please contact for any repair assistance to us. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel and like and share my videos. Thank you so much, guys. For any assistance, please call us anytime.